Distance learning, also known as online learning or e-learning, has revolutionized the way education is delivered and accessed. It allows students to pursue their education remotely, breaking the barriers of time and location. One of the key advantages of distance learning is its flexibility. Students can access course materials and lectures at their convenience, enabling them to balance their studies with work, family, or other commitments. This flexibility has made education more accessible to a wider range of learners, including working professionals, parents, and individuals living in remote areas. Another benefit of distance learning is cost-effectiveness. Without the need for physical classrooms, commuting, or accommodation, students can save on expenses associated with traditional education. Additionally, distance learning promotes self-discipline and time management skills, as students are responsible for organizing their study schedules and completing assignments on time. However, distance learning also presents challenges. Some students may struggle with the lack of face-to-face interaction with instructors and peers, leading to feelings of isolation or disengagement. Technical issues such as poor internet connectivity or limited access to technology can also hinder the learning experience. Despite these challenges, advancements in technology have paved the way for innovative solutions in education, such as virtual reality (VR) laboratories. VR laboratories offer immersive learning experiences by simulating real-world environments and experiments in a virtual setting. This technology enhances student engagement and understanding by providing hands-on learning opportunities that may not be feasible in traditional classrooms. As educational institutions continue to embrace technology, the integration of VR laboratories is expected to grow, offering students new ways to explore and learn. The evolution of distance learning and the introduction of VR laboratories signify a shift towards a more interactive and dynamic educational landscape, empowering learners to engage with content in innovative ways. Distance learning offers a multitude of benefits that cater to the diverse needs of learners. One of the key advantages is flexibility, allowing students to access course materials and lectures at their own pace and convenience. This flexibility is particularly beneficial for working professionals, parents, or individuals with busy schedules, as it enables them to balance their education with other commitments. Moreover, distance learning eliminates the constraints of geographical location, making education accessible to individuals living in remote areas or those unable to attend traditional classes. Another significant benefit is cost-effectiveness. Without the need for physical classrooms, commuting, or accommodation, students can save on expenses associated with traditional education. Additionally, distance learning promotes self-discipline and time management skills, as students are responsible for organizing their study schedules and completing assignments independently. Research has shown that distance learning can lead to higher retention rates and improved academic performance, as students have the flexibility to revisit course materials and study at their own pace. Furthermore, distance learning encourages the development of digital literacy skills, preparing students for the demands of the modern workforce. By leveraging technology, distance learning offers a dynamic and interactive learning experience that engages students in innovative ways, fostering creativity and critical thinking. Overall, the benefits of distance learning extend beyond convenience and accessibility, empowering learners to pursue education on their own terms and achieve their academic goals. Distance learning, despite its numerous benefits, presents several challenges that can impact the learning experience. One of the primary challenges is the lack of face-to-face interaction with instructors and peers. This absence of real-time communication can lead to feelings of isolation and disconnection, making it difficult for some students to stay motivated and engaged. Additionally, technical issues such as poor internet connectivity or limited access to technology can hinder the learning process. In regions with inadequate infrastructure, students may struggle to participate in online classes or access course materials, creating disparities in educational opportunities. Another challenge of distance learning is the need for self-discipline and time management skills. Without the structure of traditional classroom settings, Students must take initiative in organizing their study schedules and completing assignments independently. This level of autonomy can be overwhelming for some learners, especially those who thrive in a more structured environment. Moreover, the lack of immediate feedback from instructors in distance learning can pose challenges for students seeking clarification or guidance on course content. Addressing these challenges requires proactive measures, such as providing technical support, fostering online communities for collaboration, and offering resources for time management and study skills. By recognizing and addressing these challenges, educational institutions can enhance the effectiveness and inclusivity of distance learning programs. Virtual reality, VR laboratories represent a cutting-edge technology that is transforming the landscape of education. By creating immersive and interactive learning environments, VR laboratories offer students a unique opportunity to engage with course material in a hands-on and dynamic way. Unlike traditional classrooms, VR laboratories simulate real-world scenarios and experiments, allowing students to explore concepts and theories in a virtual setting. One of the key features of VR laboratories is their ability to provide a safe and controlled environment for conducting experiments that may be too dangerous or costly to replicate in a physical lab. This not only enhances student safety, but also expands the scope of experiments that can be conducted. Moreover, VR laboratories cater to different learning styles by offering visual, auditory, and kinesthetic learning experiences. This multi-sensory approach can improve knowledge retention and understanding as students are actively engaged in the learning process. Another interesting aspect of VR laboratories is their scalability and accessibility. With advancements in technology, VR simulations can be accessed from various devices such as computers, smartphones, and VR headsets, making it easier for students to participate in virtual experiments from anywhere. Additionally, VR laboratories have been shown to increase student motivation and engagement. The immersive nature of VR environments captures students' attention and encourages active participation, leading to a deeper understanding of complex concepts. Research has also indicated that VR laboratories can improve critical thinking skills and problem-solving abilities, as students are challenged to apply theoretical knowledge in practical scenarios. As educational institutions continue to embrace technology, the integration of VR laboratories is expected to revolutionize the way students learn and interact with course material. By leveraging the power of VR technology, educators can create engaging and interactive learning experiences that inspire curiosity and foster a passion for learning. Virtual reality, VR laboratories offer a plethora of advantages in education, revolutionizing the traditional learning experience. One key advantage is the immersive nature of VR environments, which allows students to engage with course material in a hands-on and interactive way. By simulating real-world scenarios and experiments, VR laboratories provide a dynamic learning experience that enhances student understanding and retention of complex concepts. Research has shown that students who learn in VR environments exhibit higher levels of engagement and motivation, leading to improved academic performance. Additionally, VR laboratories cater to different learning styles by offering visual, auditory, and kinesthetic experiences, making education more accessible and inclusive. Another significant advantage of VR laboratories is their scalability and flexibility. With advancements in technology, VR simulations can be accessed from various devices, enabling students to participate in virtual experiments from anywhere at any time. This flexibility not only enhances the accessibility of education, but also allows for personalized learning experiences tailored to individual student needs. Furthermore, VR laboratories provide a safe and controlled environment for conducting experiments that may be too dangerous or costly to replicate in a physical lab. This not only ensures student safety, but also expands the possibilities for hands-on learning. Overall, the advantages of VR laboratories in education are vast, offering a transformative approach to learning that inspires curiosity, critical thinking, and innovation. The implementation of virtual reality VR laboratories in educational institutions marks a significant advancement in the way students engage with course material. To successfully integrate VR laboratories, educational institutions must consider several key factors. Firstly, infrastructure plays a crucial role in the implementation process. Institutions need to ensure they have the necessary hardware and software to support VR simulations, including VR headsets, controllers, and computers with high processing power. Additionally, a stable internet connection is essential for accessing and running VR applications smoothly. Training and support for educators are also vital components of successful implementation. Teachers need to be trained on how to incorporate VR technology into their lesson plans effectively and provide technical support to students. Moreover, collaboration between educators, instructional designers, and IT professionals is essential to develop engaging and interactive VR experiences that align with learning objectives. Interesting fact: studies have shown that students who learn in VR environments exhibit higher levels of engagement and knowledge retention compared to traditional learning methods. Furthermore, the implementation of VR laboratories offers opportunities for interdisciplinary collaboration and project-based learning. Students can work together in virtual teams to solve complex problems, conduct experiments, and explore simulations across various subjects. This collaborative approach not only enhances teamwork and communication skills, but also fosters creativity and critical thinking. Another interesting fact: research has indicated that VR simulations can improve spatial awareness and cognitive abilities, making it a valuable tool for enhancing learning outcomes. As educational institutions continue to embrace VR technology, the implementation of VR laboratories is expected to revolutionize the way students learn and interact with course material. By creating immersive and interactive learning experiences, VR laboratories inspire curiosity, creativity, and a passion for learning, preparing students for success in the digital age. One notable case study of successful integration of VR laboratories is at Stanford University, where the School of Medicine implemented VR simulations to enhance medical education. By using VR technology, medical students were able to practice surgical procedures in a realistic virtual environment, improving their surgical skills and confidence. The VR simulations allowed students to perform surgeries repeatedly, receive immediate feedback, and refine their techniques, leading to better outcomes in real-world surgical settings. Interesting fact: research conducted at Stanford University showed that students who trained in VR simulations demonstrated a 130% improvement in surgical performance compared to traditional training methods. Another compelling case study comes from the University of California, Berkeley, where the College of Engineering integrated VR laboratories into their civil engineering curriculum. Students were able to design and test structural models in a virtual environment, simulating various scenarios such as earthquakes and building collapses. This hands-on experience in VR laboratories enabled students to apply theoretical knowledge to practical situations, enhancing their problem-solving skills and understanding of structural engineering principles. Interesting fact: results from UC Berkeley's study revealed that students who engaged with VR simulations showed a 40% increase in their ability to analyze and address structural challenges compared to traditional methods. Additionally, the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT, implemented VR laboratories in their physics department to supplement traditional lectures and experiments. Students could visualize complex physical phenomena, such as quantum mechanics and electromagnetism, in immersive VR environments, deepening their understanding of abstract concepts. The interactive nature of VR laboratories at MIT encouraged student engagement and collaboration, fostering a community of learners passionate about physics. Interesting fact: MIT reported a 25% increase in student performance on physics assessments following the integration of VR laboratories into the curriculum. These case studies demonstrate the transformative impact of VR technology on education, highlighting its potential to enhance learning outcomes, student engagement, and skill development across various disciplines. The future prospects of technology in education are promising, with advancements in artificial intelligence, augmented reality, and personalized learning shaping the way students learn and educators teach. Artificial intelligence, AI, is revolutionizing education by providing personalized learning experiences tailored to individual student needs. AI-powered algorithms analyze student performance data to identify strengths and weaknesses, allowing educators to customize lesson plans and interventions. Augmented reality, AR, is another technology with vast potential in education, offering immersive and interactive experiences that enhance student engagement and understanding. AR applications enable students to visualize complex concepts in three-dimensional, making learning more interactive and engaging. Interesting fact, research has shown that students who learn through AR experiences exhibit higher levels of retention and engagement compared to traditional methods. Personalized learning, driven by technology, is also on the rise, allowing students to learn at their own pace and focus on areas where they need additional support. By leveraging technology, educators can create adaptive learning pathways that cater to diverse learning styles and abilities. The integration of technology in education is expected to continue evolving, providing innovative solutions to enhance student learning outcomes and prepare them for success in a rapidly changing world.